Okay, so here what you did, we need to find the area bounded by the line y is equal to x, and then you have plotted this particular line. Okay, where is your x-axis? This is your x-axis. That is perfectly correct. This is your x-axis. I will make it here. Okay, this is perfectly your x-axis. Then line as y is equal to x. Fine. So this is your y is equal to x, which passes through the origin. This is also perfectly correct. Okay, this is also perfectly correct. This is y is equal to x. Then it says, and the line x is equal to -1 and x is equal to 4. Okay, so where is your x is equal to -1? X is equal to -1 is here. Okay, that's what you said. This is your x is equal to -1. Okay, and x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 is your here. This is that line. X is equal to 4. Okay, so here it is. Fine. Okay, so what you did, just a minute. This is the line, and this particular coordinate is your -1, and this particular coordinate is your 4. You need to find the area bounded by the line this. So what you need to find? You need to find this area, and you need to find this area. So how you're going to find? Say I will call this area as A, and I will call this area as B. So area A, how you're going to find? Limit goes from -1 to 0, because this is 0 now. Okay, -1 to 0. What is your y-axis? Okay, means elementary strip. The elementary strip, you can consider this. This is your elementary strip. Okay, this is your elementary strip. So when you are considering this your elementary strip, what is this? This is your dx. Okay, so if this is x, what will be your y? If this is x, this particular distance will be your y. Means this particular distance, which is that this one, this particular distance will be your y. It's not required, I'm just repeating it. This will be your y. So what is the area of this rectangle? It will be y into dx. So I will going to write y into dx. What is your y? From this particular equation, what is your y? Your y is x dx. So what is integration of x? Okay, integration of x is what? It is x square by 2. So I will write x square by 2. Limit goes from -1 to 0. So first you will going to write 1 by 2 taken out, 0 square, then -1 the whole square, that is nothing but 1 by 2. This is your A. Then what is your B? B is this area. So the limit starts from 0 to 4. So this is 0 and this is 4. Where is your elementary strip? This is your elementary strip. This is your elementary strip. Okay, this is what is the elementary strip you have selected. So when you have selected elementary strip is this, what will be this distance? What will be this distance? It will be dx. So when this is dx, say you have one point here, so this will be y. So that you can write here as y dx. What is your y? This y is what? This y is your, this is x. So you will write 0 to 4 x dx. What is integration of x? It is x square by 2, 0 to 4. So first upper limit will come 4 square by 2 minus 0. No need to write, but okay, fine. So when you calculate this, 4 4 is 16. 16 divided by 2 will be 8. So this is your 8. Okay. So what will be your total area? So required area. Okay, required area will be what? A plus B. What is your A? A is your 1 by 2, right? Is this 1 by 2 only? Yes, 1 by 2. And what is your B? B is your 8. So what is your final answer? It is 8.5. 8.5 what? Square units. This is your final answer. Clear? Okay, so whenever you have your curve like this, how? Say you have curve like this, then like this, and then say like this, and then suddenly your curve is changing like this. Okay, and you have to find the area of from this limit A to this limit B. So how you are going to find? You will find first you will going to find first you will going to plot this, and then you will going to find this. Okay, then you will going to find this, 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 and then after finding all this you will going to add all. Say this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this is E. So your required area will be what? Mod of A plus mod of B plus mod of C plus mod of D plus mod of E. Why I am putting mod? Because this is negative, na? Area can never be negative. So you have to solve this separately, this separately, this separately, this separately, and then add all. Then you will get the final answer. Hope it's clear to you now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, fine. Fine. So in question number 4, find the area enclosed between the x-axis and the curve y is equal to sine axis for the value of x between 0 to pi. So the graph which you have drawn is perfectly correct. Okay, you have drawn like this. Okay, this is perfectly correct. This is 0. Okay, this will be your pi, and this will be your 2 pi. So from here to here you have to find the area. Okay, means this area and this area you have to find. So the step which you did, integration 0 to pi, very good. This is your A1 and this is your A2. So A1 you did from 0 to pi sine of x, integration of sine x minus cos x, very good. Cos minus cos of pi minus cos of 0, very good. This is minus 1. This is perfectly correct. Now A2 is sine x dx. This is correct. Okay, next it is minus, you have taken out, it will be cos of 2 pi minus cos of pi. Okay. So what is your cos of 2 pi? This cos of 2 pi is nothing but cos of 0, which is 1, and this cos of pi is nothing but 1 minute. This is pi, na? So this is minus 1. So this is your minus 1. So here answer will be what? Minus 2. You have to take mod of this, so it will be 2. Okay, so here you are getting 2, and here also you are getting 2. So the area is required area. Required area will be A1 plus A2, that is 2 plus 2, which is 4 square units.
2 कैसे आया? मेरा 0 आ रहा है.
How can you get 0? Where you are getting 0? Let me check.
Sir,
Okay, so what you did here, you wrote this equal to sign here, and then minus, fine, minus cos of 2 pi, correct. Then minus of minus pi will come, na? This minus is this minus, so it has to be minus of minus pi. Okay, now next what you did, you took this minus common. Okay, so when you took this minus common, which minus common? This minus and this minus, if you are taking common, what you will get? You will get cos of 2 pi minus cos of pi you will get. Okay, what is your cos of 2 pi? this is your pi, this is your pi, which is cos 0. What is cos 0? Cos 0 is 1. What is cos of pi? Cos of pi is your minus 1. So this will be your minus 1. So what is 1 into 1? Sorry, 1 minus of minus is plus. So it will be 1 plus 1, which is nothing but minus 2. So this area, we have to always take the mod, na? So this will be what? This will be mod of minus 2, which is nothing but 2. So you are getting the correct answer. So here what you did mistake? The first mistake what you did is you have not taken minus common properly. And if you have taken minus common properly, what is cos of 2 pi? Cos of 2 pi is 1. You wrote here minus 1. This is your mistake. Okay. So here again it's a mistake. This should not be minus. This should be plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. And mod of 2 or minus 2 will be 2. So this is what is the mistake you did. Hope you have understood this now, right? Fine. So example number 4, find the area enclosed between y is equal to sin x and x-axis between 0 to 4 pi. Okay, so we already did fourth one. Okay, from 0 to 2 pi. अब इसको 4 पाई तक लेके जाना है. तो 4 पाई तक लेके जाने के लिए क्या करेंगे? इस x एक्सिस को और थोड़ा एक्सटेंड कर दो यहां पर. ठीक है, आपने इसको एक्सटेंड किया यहां पर और ये वापस ऊपर जाएगा, ये वापस नीचे आएगा, यहां आएगा. तो मुझे अभी कौन कौन सा एरिया और चाहिए? ये वाला एरिया चाहिए मुझे और ये वाला एरिया चाहिए. ठीक है, यहां से यहां तक का एरिया कितना था? A1 और A2. जो A1 का एरिया होगा वही, जो A1 का एरिया होगा वही ये वाला एरिया होगा, ये वाला. और जो A2 का एरिया होगा वही ये वाला एरिया होगा. ठीक है, A1 प्लस A2 का आंसर आपको मिला था. ठीक है, क्या मिला था? A1 A2 का आंसर आपको 2 मिला था ना, या 4 मिला था क्या? A1 A2 इज 4 ना, 4 मिला था, 4. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये इसका डबल हो जाएगा ना, एग्जैक्टली, क्योंकि ये इक्वल है. तो रिक्वायर्ड एरिया इन एग्जांपल नंबर 5 विल बी व्हाट? विल बी 4 into 2, that is 8 square units. This will be your answer. Got it right? Okay. So the solved example number 6, find the area enclosed between y is equal to cos x and x-axis between the limits. Perfectly correct. So you have drawn the curve. This function is y is equal to cos of x and enclosed. Okay, so this you have found this point to be 0. So this is your 0. It's correct. And then y is equal to cos of x, x-axis between the limit 0 to pi by 2. So this is your pi by 2. Correct. So this particular area you are calling A. A is from 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx. The integration of cos x is sin x 0 to pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 is 1 minus 0, 1 square root. Perfectly correct. So this answer of this first is 1. Okay. Now it says what? Now it says from pi by 2 to, now it says from pi by 2 to pi. So if this is 1, this will also be 1. Okay, when you will solve, you will get 1 square unit only. So this is also 1 square unit. Now, if this is 1 and this is also 1, and now third is what? From 0 to pi. Correct. Perfectly correct. So this will be what? This will going to divide. This is nothing but 1 plus 2. So this answer is 1. This answer is 1. So answer is 2 square units. ओके, बच्चे गलती करते हैं. इसमें क्या गलती करते हैं? इन दोनों को कंबाइन कर लेते हैं और कंबाइन करके उनको आंसर मिल जाता है 0, विच इज 100% रॉन्ग. आप कंबाइन कभी नहीं कर सकते. एप्लीकेशन ऑफ इंटीग्रल में इस एरिया को अलग निकालना है, इस एरिया को अलग निकालना है, सेपरेटली निकालना है, मॉड भी सेपरेटली निकालना है, फिर जो वैल्यू आता है उन दोनों को ऐड करना है. ओके, ग्रुप कभी नहीं करोगे. So this is what is the answer. Fine. So using integration to find the area of the region bounded by the line this, okay, and the line this. So let me first draw the line over here. Let me plot here. Okay, this is your x-axis. x, x dash, and this is your y-axis, that is y, and this is y dash. The area region bounded by the line 2y plus x is equal to 8. तो इसको मैं लिखूंगा ऐसे, y इज इक्वल टू, ये जो x है ना, इसको वहां लेके जाऊंगा तो ये माइनस एक्स हो जाएगा, माइनस एक्स प्लस 8 होगा ये, लेकिन मुझे डिवाइड बाय 2 भी करना है, तो ये डिवाइड बाय 2 हो जाएगा, और ये 8 डिवाइड बाय 2 ये 4 हो जाएगा. ओके, 8 डिवाइड बाय 2 ये मेरा 4 हो जाएगा. So what is the slope? Slope is minus 1 by 2. So when the slope is minus 1 by 2, how will my line? My line will be like this. Because slope is minus 1 by 2, na? So line will be like this. It will be like this. Okay. Because of negative slope, my line will make obtuse angle from positive direction of x-axis. Clear now? Okay. And what is the y-intercept? Y-intercept is 4. So this will be your 4, which is not required actually. I just wanted to show how the line will look like. Then what I'll do? And the line x is equal to 2. So I will going to have x is equal to 2 over here. I will going to have x is equal to 4 over here. And then I will going to draw a line here again. So this line I have drawn. Okay, I will draw this line again. Okay, so this particular line is your x is equal to 2, and this particular line is your x is equal to 4. So this is x is equal to 2, and this is x is equal to 4. So the area which I need to find is this area. How I will going to find this area? I will going to find this area A. Okay, this A as integration is 2 to 4. I will take elementary strip. This elementary strip I will going to take. When I am taking this elementary strip, can you tell me what will be dx? Dx will be this. This will be your dx. And what is your y? Y will be this. Okay, so I will write here y dx. Then again 2 to, then again 2 to 4. 2 to 4. What is y from here? From y from here is minus 1 by 2x plus 4 and dx. Now can you solve this further and WhatsApp me? Okay, so you have done integration 0 to 4, 4 minus 1 by 2x dx. You multiply by 2 here and divide by 2 here. Then you have taken 8 minus 8 by 2 minus 1 by 2x. Now 1 by 2 you have taken common, so it is 8 minus x. 1 by 2 into 8 minus x. Okay, and then integration of 8 is 8x, and integration of x is x square by 2, and then you applied this limit, that's from 2 to 4. Then you substitute the value of upper limit in place of x. Okay, and then minus, substitute the values of x as lower limit, which is 2. Then you have solved this, and then finally you got 5 square units is the final answer. This is perfectly correct answer. Okay, so question number 2, solve example question number 2. Find the area of the region bounded by the following curve, the x-axis and the given line. So what you did is you have drawn the curve, and the curve is y is equal to x square. Okay, so you have drawn the y is equal to x square as like this. Okay, this is perfectly the correct curve. Then x is equal to 1. So this is your x is equal to 1 equation of this line, and this is your x is equal to 2. So let's have this point as 2. This is 1, this is 2, and x-axis, this is your x-axis, and you need to find the bounded region by these curve. So you need to find this. Okay, so what is the formula? The area to find this is integration 1 to 2. So here it will be 1 to 2 y dx, right? Okay, so this is 1 to 2. So by mistake you wrote here 1 to 3. It is not 3, it has to be 2. Okay, similarly this has to be 2. Then y dx, correct? So this will be your small strip. Okay, this will be your small strip. So this will be dx, and then this distance will be y. So y dx is perfectly correct. Y is equal to x square is the equation, then you took the integration of x square, that is x cube upon 3. 3 you have taken out, and then you applied upper limit minus lower limit. So this should be your 2 cube. So you wrote here 27, which is wrong. It should be 2. Okay, this is 2. 1 2 2. So this has to be 2 cube minus 1 cube. So 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 1. So 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 by 3 square units. Okay, should be your answer. Okay, so in the textbook, what they have written is they have considered the upper limit as 3. So this should be changed. It should not be 2. It should be 3. Now, if it is 3, then this will be 3. This is 3. Now it's fine. So if the limit is from 1 to 3, then this is correct. This is correct, and your final answer will be 26 upon 3 square units. This is correct. Okay, this is correct if the upper limit is 3. You have to do the correction in the textbook to get this particular answer. Okay, so now second question is your y square is equal to 4x and x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4. So y square is equal to 4x as is this parabola which you have drawn properly. X is equal to 1 is this particular line. This is again perfectly correct. Then x is equal to 4 is this particular line. This is exactly correct. So I will write here x is equal to 1, and here I will going to write x is equal to 4. So the area what I need to find over here will be only this much, because above x-axis they have said, right? They have said above x-axis only this area I have to find. So integration will be from 1 to integration will be from this 1 to 4, then y dx. What is my y? Y square is equal to 4x. Y square is equal to 4x. So what will be my y? It will be 2 root x. So that's perfectly correct. 2 root x. Then 2 you have taken out. Then integration of root x is x cube, x to the power of 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. So this you have taken above. That is 2 by 3 you did. Correct. Now here again upper limit and then no lower limit. So you have substituted the value of x as 4 to the power of this. Now this is square root of this, correct? So this is 4 is 2 cube, that is 8 minus 1, then 7 4 is 28, 28 by 3 square units. Perfect. This is the correct answer. Okay. Okay. So the third part is it says y is equal to sin x is the curve, and then x is equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So this is the curve, that is y is equal to sin x. This is that particular curve. Y is equal to sin x. This is your minus pi by 2. This is pi by 2. So we have to find this particular area. Okay. So for that, what I did from minus pi by 2 to 0 this part, and then here I did 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 y dx this part. Substituted the value of y as sin theta, and then took the integration of sin theta, which is minus cos x. Then limit will be minus pi by 2 to 0. Same thing over here, it will be 0 to pi by 2. Then substitute the upper limit minus lower limit, and then you got minus 1 minus 1. Took the modulus of this 2 square unit. This is a perfectly correct answer. Okay.